Biafra struggle is never a joke, and anybody who are joking with Biafra struggle will receive the heat coming from Biafra Liberation Army. Hello my wonderful people. You are welcome back to Balabas Jace. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Do not forget to give us a follow and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell for more updates as e dey hot. Hello my people, we go look into the next ogbonge news wey we get for hand today. No be small thing. They say one Biafra Liberation Army don come outside. Paro talk say say this time around they are not playing. And anyone who are in diaspora anywhere you are, you have to realize that the Biafra struggle is never a joke, and they are not ready to trade with it, and they will do anything to make Biafra to come. So I'm going to list out the headline of the news that we have today so that we will go into them in details. They say one Biafra young boy don't build a generator, a fuelless generator without fuel. No be small thing. And they say for Lagos, no be small thing they happen for there. E dey shele and e dey happen. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu don commend federal government for talking about his release. No be small thing. We will go into all these things in details. And they don also carry the boss of DSS to court over refusing to release him. Okay, my people, we are going to watch the video of this Biafra Liberation Army lamenting and sending a message to those in diaspora and those in Biafra land as well. So I want you to pay attention to this video and watch from beginning to end so that you will understand everything he said. Do not forget to share this video so that more people will see it and will grow bigger. Okay, let's watch the video.
Facebook, sign me out. We are back. I say this evening broadcast is mainly for those of Biafrans or those Biafrans who are staying outside Biafra land. Our people do say that a stubborn fly will always follow a curve into a grave. The reason is because you have been receiving this warning since, but you think we are joking. There is nothing in this war that can make us change our mind from Biafra. Nothing in this war matters to us than Biafra restoration. And there is nothing the war can do, nothing anybody can do about it. All we need is Biafra, nothing but Biafra. And we will do everything possible to ensure that we have it. The reason why we cannot let go of Biafra is because of 30 millions of Biafrans that were Makassar, that were killed by Britain, Nigeria government. And anybody that told us or that tell us or that come up and say we should forget about Biafra and think of better Nigeria, the thunder that is being prepared by God himself will fire that person and his generation upon generation forever and ever. The reason why Nnamdi Kanu is in prison today is because of Biafra. The reason why many Biafran youth have been kept in prison without trial is because of Biafra. The reason why so many Biafran girls were raped.
Okay, my wonderful people. No be small thing o. I say na this one na dey shele right now. I say as e take talk am, e say this way that they do now is no longer a joke, and they are not ready to joke with it. So we are going to leave it for our viewers to contribute put for wetin e talk. If you agree for everything wey e talk for this video, make you comment supported. But if you disagree, also comment and leave your own opinion. It's needed. Okay, my people, let's go and read out this one. They say it's coming from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They say Nnamdi Kanu dragged DSS Director General to court over refusing to release his medical report and disobedience to order. No be small thing. This one is actually coming from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They say he don drag wey be the boss of DSS to court over denying him of access to his medical report. No be small thing. So we are going to see more detail. Nnamdi Kanu, the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, have sued the director general of the Department of State Service, DSS, Mr. Yusuf Magajo Bichi, for alleged refusing to release his Kanu medical report with the DSS in the house medical doctor as court by the order. So the what they are trying to say here is that there was a time they said they should grant Mazi Nnamdi Kanu access to his own medical report, but there's some doctors have been coming to see Nnamdi Kanu. So these people refuse Nnamdi Kanu access his medical doctor report, and he's hereby suing them for doing that. Okay, na so we see am. So we will go ahead, go read that more details. Also coming, I say this one is also coming from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So IPOB leader Nnamdi Kanu commends House of Rep committee for demanding his unconditional release. They say this one is coming from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that he commends the House of Rep for demanding his immediate release in this particular side. Okay, the more details about it, they say the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, has commended the House of Representatives for asking for the President Bola Tinubu led Nigeria government to release him from detention. Remember last time, they also told us that Nnamdi Kanu said that he's not going to beg them for releasing him. So I don't know where Sahara reporters are bringing these details from. But however, wherever you are bringing it from, what we demand is unconditional release of Onyendu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. My people, no be small thing o. They say kasala don burst for inside my two today. We will go ahead, go look into it, make we know wetin dey happen for that side. They say crisis in my two as Lagos State Task Force kill two person from the community. No be small thing o. And they say kasala come burst for that area. So katakata come dey for there. There was a confusion in the Mile 2 area of Lagos State in the earlier hour of Thursday as a resident block the road demanding for free two of traffickers as they kill somebody and run away. No be small thing. This one is happening in Mile 2 today. Okay, my people, they say so many matter dey for ground today wey we go look into. We go go inside go look into the next ogbonge news wey we get for hand today. Stay tuned as we dey bring am dey come. No be small thing dey happen for Ibadan, for Oyo State. They say armed robber don go there o. Go raid three community. Where police dey wey dey raid dis three community and dey catch away so many properties and dey no catch dem o. Okay, make we go ahead go read am as dey take talk am. Dey say armed robber raid three community in Ibadan, Oyo State and catch away properties, and dis armed robber make dis operation successfully. Nobody catch dem. Wahala. See the country we are. A lot of things is going on, especially in Southeast, where the kidnapper have become a daily business of the criminals. But I believe that all these things is going to stop very soon. Okay, my people, na so we see am for today matter o. Stay tuned as we dey bring am dey come. Abeg make you no forget to subscribe to this channel and also turn on your notification bell for more update as e dey happen. Okay, see you in the next update today.